Here's a way to view your own progress within D2L. Very useful, helps you stay on top of your grades. It also helps you stay on top of individual areas like the discussion board. You go to your name in the upper right hand corner and click on Progress. This takes you to a unique look into the grade system, which you'll get introduced to quite soon. And in this case, let's just take a look at discussions. If, as a student, I entered discussions, it would give me a full readout of all my work to date. So at the beginning of a class, this is going to be a little thin, and then as the class progresses, you're going to see more and more information here. This is also a view all instructors can see from the other side of the virtual desk, but as students, you're given this information to help you track where you are. And this information includes all of the different aspects of what your work is in D2L. I hope this little mini video helps. This is a very useful tool to have in your online teaching and learning toolkit.